Hi, my name is Leo. I go to Homestead High School and I'm a rising senior. And my device is a tool that indicates the strength of Wi-Fi around a building, and this is my third milestone. So this milestone was the modification for my project, and I attached my Wi-Fi strength indicator to a small car that can be controlled from a mobile device. So I'm gonna demo it right now. So right here is the app I use to control my car. And these buttons make the wheels rotate counterclockwise, making the car move backwards, and these two make the wheels turn clockwise, making the car go forwards. Yeah, it's kind of loud because um, my floor is like wooden and the wheels are rubber, so there's a lot of friction. Um, so to do this, I first assembled the car and then added a motor driver to my breadboard. And this motor driver allows the photon to control the motors, which make the wheels move. And after attaching the motor pins on the motor driver to the photon analog pins, I was able to make the wheels on the car spin by turning the pins on or off or giving them power through my code. But I then needed like a remote control because you can't really control like a car just from code, because you'd have to like update the code every time, and then like you couldn't really drive it anywhere, right? So um, I then used the app called Blink, which gave me an authentication token, which I put in my code, connecting my photon to the app through Wi-Fi. I then added some buttons that corresponded to each analog pin, thus allowing me to control the wheels through the app. So the hardest part of this process was getting my phone to communicate with my particle photon through Wi-Fi. And the best part of the milestone was finally having the button move the wheels after spending hours figuring out how to connect them. And if I had more time to work on my project, I would make steering and controlling the car easier, as it does take some practice to drive it to a specific place.